presyong babayaran. Kasi hindi madali itong total surrender to the Lordship of Jesus. Kung gusto daw po nating maging katulad ni Kristo, kailangan daw po nating isuko totally ang ating mga buhay sa Lordship ni Jesus. Maganda po yung sinabi ni Dr. Roger Wilmore. Sabi dito, when a person yields to the Lordship of Jesus Christ, he or she acknowledges his ownership and gives up his or her personal rights. I-give up mo yung sarili mong karapatan, yung sarili mong kagustuhan, yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, yung gusto mo. Yun daw po yung total surrender to the Lordship of Jesus. Yielding to the Lordship of Jesus Christ also involves total and unreserved obedience. If He is the Lord of your life, you are going to do what He tells you to do, no matter what.